Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to share PowerPoint presentation through mobile on Zoom meeting application. Yes, we can create your own PowerPoint presentation using mobile and we can share the screen in Zoom application to teach your students. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Yes, in your mobile, just go to Play Store and find PowerPoint. So this is a PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation to make a slides option. So if you have the PowerPoint in your mobile phone, you can open here the software. Otherwise, just install the PowerPoint slide option. So once you click installed means automatically it will open here. So a recent file will be displayed here. If you want to create a new file, you can use a plus option to create a new file. For example, they have given the template, so you can use the template to create a slides. Yes, so whatever slides you want, you can create according to your needs. So here you will have a double tap add title. So welcome. So I have given computer science a subject, so you can double the tap and type whatever you want. Yes, now I would like to add more slides. Just a plus button, you can add the more slides. So basic. So you can use as a computer what you're using, same thing you can use in the mobile also. So I have created the basic thing, computer hardware and software kind of things. So you can add whatever you want and you can add the slides, more slides you can add. So if you want to see the preview, just press and see the preview of the slideshow. Yes, so I can able to see the preview. So slide it means automatically it will display here. Yes, so you can give the presentation to your students according to your needs. Yes, you would like to stop presenting the screen, just press, automatically your presentation will be stopped over here. Yes, so I have created my presentation. Now I would like to save the presentation. So just press save option and you can rename the file. So the computer, so rename the file and saved. So OneDrive, it is saved in your system also. Just click go back and you can able to see the computer is the file name what I created. Yes, now I would like to created the file. This file I would like to share with my students for the online class purpose using Zoom application. So just open Zoom application in your mobile. So if you want to install, go to Play Store and install the Zoom application. So log in with your ID. Yes, so this is a Zoom application. Just I want to create a new meeting. Just click new meeting and start meeting. So if you start the meeting, you need to check your camera and mic is working properly. So here my mic is and camera is working properly. If you want to switch off the camera, you want to switch off the mic, you can use according to your needs. Yes, so I can add the participant using this option. You can add the participant and you can get the details about the meeting details. You can get the meeting details. Now I would like to share my screen with all the students to show my presentation. Just click the share option. You will find Microsoft One, Google Drive, Box and photo, everything will be there. Here you will find a screen option. So screen, just press screen option, start now. Overall screen will be displayed in your Zoom application. Just scroll down up and find a PowerPoint. Whatever you are typing, everything will be displayed by the student. Just press computer. Yes, your screen is sharing with your students. Just press slideshow option. Automatically it will display here and you can scale down and you can show to your students. So all the information you can give. Yes, so similarly you can stop presenting the screen option. Now I would like to stop screen sharing means just go to Zoom application, press stop presenting option. Automatically your screen will be stop presenting. So this is an easy step. You can share your presentation with your students and students can able to see your screen. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.